Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to do a simple password login program. I've done quite a few of these before on my channel, but this one is going to be using a while loop. So first of all, we're going to import pwinput. If this is a module that you're going to be needing, if you don't have this, you're going to have to download it from pip. So you'll have to download it, go into your terminal and download it using pip3. Okay, so before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button, very important, helps the channel. Thank you very much for doing that and supporting this channel, much appreciated. Okay, so here we go. This is my password. I'm just going to give just simply admin. That'll do. Nothing too fancy. And we're going to create a little function here called login. And we're going to put pw. This is password is equal to password input dot password input. And then we're going to do prompt. This is going to be equal to enter password. In fact, I'm going to pull that back a little bit, make it look a little bit better. Password input there. And then we're going to do the mask here, mask, which will mask the characters with asterisks. But when I run this program, it won't do that because it doesn't do it inside idle. But if you run it from the terminal, or if you run it inside Visual Studio, you will see the little asterisks here, but it doesn't do it in the idle program, unfortunately. So this is going to be masked, and those are going to be the asterisks there. Okay, so we're just going to close that. And we're going to go down here. We're going to use the while now. So while pw, which is password, is not equal to, in fact, I'll pull that back a little bit, make it look a little bit better, is not equal to my password. So if the password the user enters into the empty password is not equal to my password, we're going to do something. We're going to print incorrect password, try again. Okay, so that's going to be again pw is equal to password input dot password input, and the same again, prompt enter password. Oops. And the mask again. Okay. Right, so if password is equal to my password, if the password we've entered into there is equal to my password up there, which is admin, then we're going to do something. We're going to print login successful. Okay. We're going to create another little subroutine called message down here. So this is going to be another little subroutine called message. Print you are here because you chose the right password. Oops, password. Okay. What we have to do now is call it, which is login. Save it there. So what's going to happen is the user is going to enter a password. It's going to mask it with the asterisks, but you won't see that in this program because for some reason it doesn't do it in idle. But if you're on Microsoft Visual Studio, you will see the asterisks when you enter the password. So while the password is not equal to my password up here, it's going to print this message, and it's also going to give you another login attempt. And if the password is equal to my password up there, it's going to print a message saying login is successful, and then it's going to take you down to this other subroutine here and print out this message. Okay, let's run it. Whoops, what's happened here? Positional argument follows keyword. Okay, slight slip up there. I forgot to do this. Okay, let's save that. Let's run the program. Okay, so we're going to go down here. So it says warning, password input may not be echoed. So that basically it's telling us that we're not going to be able to see those asterisks. So enter password. So I'm just going to enter some old rubbish like that. Warning, password input. Enter password again. So it's passed us to this again. Okay, enter it again. So I'm going to enter the right password here. And there you go. Login successful. You are here because you chose the right password, which is in this message box. Like I say, I must stress that if you use Visual Studio, or if you just run this program from the terminal, you will see these asterisks here like this when you log in. But because we're in idle, for some unknown reason, it just doesn't do it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching the video. If you've got this far, good on you guys. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.